Hi everyone, check out this simple and pretty hair updo for girls with waterfall braid and ponytail. First, I create rectangular parting on top of the hair. Then I divide that hair in two sections, one is thinner and another one is thicker. Later, I create 4 small square sections. I use small elastic hair bands to tie each section. And each section I divide into 2 equal parts, so one of the strands I leave and another one I tie together with the next square section. Now I will tie a ponytail. And I will connect all the small strands to that ponytail. Now you can add some pretty hair clip of your choice. And the hairstyle is done. You can also tie a ponytail at the back instead of leaving the open hair. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video.